Hi, I'm Marilyn Suttle, and I'm here with Margarita Gurri, Dr. Red Shoe, and we want to talk to you about why we would make the best MCs for your upcoming event.
Marilyn and I are both seasoned speakers, presenters, and MCs. And it is our theory that if we can help you plan for, set the tone for any event, introduce the speakers, keep the audience engaged, and keep things moving along and on schedule, we can do what it takes to help you shine for any virtual or on-site event.
And adding that little something extra, the sparkle that makes everybody look good, feel good, and have at the end of the session, everyone looking back to you to say, great job, because we want to make you shine too.
And together we do that. We've been great separate, but now we've combined our forces for the greater good. And so we take turns who takes the lead and who's doing the background stuff that is so important to make sure that the chats are read, the Q&A, the fun little things in between happen, that everyone can get online. We're here to serve you before the event, day of, during the event, and afterwards.
So give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.
See you on the screen.